Emily is in a big city.
Cars move fast.
People walk everywhere.
Mom? Dad?
They are not here. Where am I?
Emily cannot see mom or dad anywhere. But how did Emily get lost in the big city? Let's go back. Earlier that morning, Emily arrived in the city.
Wow, this city is huge.
Big cities can be exciting.
Wow, it's so big.
Stay close to us.
That is amazing!
Emily watches for a moment.
Then she turns around.
Mom? Mom? Dad? Oh no. Where did they go?
Stay calm. Think.
Emily looks around. A sign shows directions.
City Station. Dad talked about the station.
City station this way. Do you think this is the right way?
I hope so.
Emily begins walking.
Emily walks through the city.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you help me find my mom?
I am looking for the city station. Of course, it's just down this way on the right.
Thank you.
It is not far. Go straight. Then turn left.
Okay, thank you.
You will see the station.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Then turn left. I hope I remember.
You will, I'm sure of it.
Wow. This station is huge. Platform 1. Platform 2. Platform 3. I am not sure. Have you ever felt lost? I feel a little lost now. Maybe someone can help me. Excuse me,
Hello?
can you help me?
Of course, how can I help?
I think I'm lost.
Don't worry, we'll find your way.
Where is platform 2?
Platform 2 is just down that way, to the left.
Thank you.
Go down the stairs. Then turn right.
Okay, thanks. Wow, a real train.
Hey,
This must be the train.
wait! See? This train goes right to the airport.
The yacht?
Yes, all the way there.
That would be the wrong train.
Emily almost took the wrong train. Can Emily find the right train? Will Emily meet mom and dad again? Find out in part 2. Subscribe and watch the next story.